Nonlinear control. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This chapter focused on the topic of nonlinear control for nonlinear systems that behave naturally. A linear system was only a simplification and approximation for our life. A nonlinear system was perhaps the nature of the society. In this chapter, relative methods, such as describing function, Popov analysis, phase plane analysis method and so on, of nonlinear systems were provided to analyze and design a nonlinear system. Furthermore, stability and controllability analysis of nonlinear systems were introduced to help readers analyze and design a nonlinear system. Besides these contents, the inverse system method was also explored and explained for readers to further comprehend nonlinear systems for feedback control design. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.